Wanted to give you a little video walkthrough of how we're going to handle USA Geography this year for my first grader and my fourth grader. The first main thing that we're going to be using is actually our USA PowerPoint, and we're going to use it on our iPad to make it really easy. So this is going to be the way that we review our states and our capitals, our abbreviations, and their locations. So this is a nice interactive way to review. And the kids, my oldest son loved this when we used it, so I'm excited to use it with my younger kids. The next thing that we have is each of my children has a notebook that I have printed off from Valerie at the Crafty Classroom. This is the state by state pack. And you can see that there's a place for them to color the flag, the state. There's different things. Now, I have something down here. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw this. These are baseball card holders. And these little things are from a book called Sticker USA from Barker Creek. So what I did is I cut out the bird and the flower from this set. They're in a PDF download on a disc. And I'm going to let them glue those on so that they can then use the colors there to color the bird and the flower. So we're going to get, these flashcards are also from that Sticker USA book, and it has some facts on it, so we're going to use these also. This is my master set in alphabetical order so that we can go through, and then I will move them to an independent set. They also have like little sheet cards that I laminated and got ready too. This is my notebook, and I have all of the birds and flowers cut out and in order. I like to be completely prepared, otherwise I get a little slack with things. I also have their pages already cut. I don't put them in their notebooks so that they can't peek ahead. They get excited about what the bird is going to be and the flower, and so I keep them in here. So they're in alphabetical order. I have my sons and my daughters back here. So this is this folder to choose from. I also selected two of our books that we'll be using to go through. This is a Scott Forsman, I believe, student atlas that we have from one of our Calvert boxes long ago. And I really like this book, so we're going to be using this one for some of our facts. And this is the National Geographic Kids United States Atlas, and we're going to be using this one to read about the states. Our plan is to do I think 2 states a week. We'll see how it goes. There's no big time plan. We'll just see how it goes. My goal is to have them memorize the capital city, the location, and the abbreviation, and all the other stuff. If they get that, great.